welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with a video showing you how to send an email to Printed Mint and to set up your integration. As I've talked about this before, and I wanted to just make sure I went on video showing you guys the process. And so far it seems like it's super simple, but we will see when we get into the integration process. So we'll be integrating my Etsy shop with Printed Mint. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. So I am going to quickly go over to my email just to show you what I sent to Printed Mint and what they sent back. I simply sent their email to their customer service, which it outlays for you on the website. And I'm just said I am writing to integrate with my Etsy shop with Printed Mint. And then I put, here's my shop link. I sent that email at 12:38. At 12:44, I got a response, and it just says, thanks so much for reaching out. We have granted access to Etsy and Shopify integration apps. Before you get started, please read the integration instruction page for a complete guide. So I'm going to open that so we can look at that as well. Go back to the email. It gives you a little note about the integration and how it doesn't automatically push the products to your shop. Talks about SKU filtering, and it says once your orders start to sync, you can save the product and the designs and integrate easy. They're given a code, and it wants you to make sure you set up your settings and things like that. So then it has like a little customer service care and all of that. So we're going to go over to this integration page, and it just basically says integration is the new feature that enables you to automatically sync orders from e-commerce shop to Printed Mint. Okay. So it gives you a little information about how to get it started. And the best part is we want to find out how to connect the shop. So I do have my billing information already in Printed Mint, but we're going to go over to the website and we're going to go to my account and we're going to go to integrations. Note that before it did not look like this, okay? So it did not look like this. It actually had the little different things. So it says it's giving me the access now to connect my shop. Okay, I'm going to go back over to that email, and it's basically telling me to hit connect the shop, and it'll basically connect me to Etsy. So I'll do that. I'm going to go back over. I'm going to hit Etsy. I'm already actually signed into Etsy as well. So I have my billing stuff done. You can set a payment method. I'll do that off camera. All right, so I added my payment method, and this is what shows up next. It says payment method set. Now it says connect to Etsy. So I'm going to click the button. It says make sure you're logged into your shop. So I am, and the application would like to access my account. So I'm going to go ahead and allow the access. Okay, so now it has access to my Etsy shop, my billing options. It says always default to flat rate shipping, or you can choose the cheapest shipping method. Approval options, automatically approve drops. I think I'll approve them manually just until I get there. And it says I want to import all items purchased from my store, and I don't. So I like to only import items with SKU starting with PM. So that is like one of those things that it did, tell you about like the SKUs. So as you see, let's see up here, is that where, oh, it was in the email about the SKU filtering. So here, if you are working with multiple print-on-demand partners, select the SKU filtering setting. I like to import. So that's what I did. So I'm glad I did that. Then it says shipping, order drafts, complete the integration. And it says once you've carefully selected and review, complete integration. So I will. And it says if you want to change anything, you go to my account and integrations. And now you are ready to start fulfilling your orders. So it says after you set up integration, orders will automatically start syncing to your Printed Mint account orders as order drafts. So that'll be in the tab. And then it talks about editing order drafts and things like that. So you would probably definitely have to do one. All right, guys, so I completed the integration. I'll probably do another video on how to process the orders from Printed Mint to Etsy once I get a little bit more familiar with the process, because I don't want to go into this video trying to figure it out. Again, this is the first time I've integrated my Etsy shop with Printement, so I want to make sure that I get a little test in with fulfilling the orders and things like that. So one of these videos will be coming up in the next couple of weeks to show you guys how to actually start processing your orders and connecting it once you integrate it with Etsy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.